students, in this video we'll be solving the 7th problem of square root chapter last exercise. Let us see what they are asking us to find out in a right angled triangle ABC. So what is the name of the triangle? They gave ABC. In that one of the angle will be 90 degrees. That's why the triangle is called as a right angled triangle. First question. In that they gave the dimension of AB, BC, and they are asking us to find out AC. Let us see how we can find out. Let us write down the data first in right angle triangle. So first triangle को draw करते हैं. So this is right angle triangle. Okay. This angle will be equal to 90 degree. Okay. So which point is equal to 90? We can see the angle B. Okay. So this point we have to name it as what? Angle B. तो ये point को हम B नाम देंगे. Remaining is what? A and C. So here I'll be naming as A. Here we will be naming as what? C. We can't name it B anyway. B को यहीं पे मार्क करना पड़ेगा because this angle is equal to 90. जहाँ पे 90 है वहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? क्या नाम डालना पड़ेगा? B. Remember that one. Okay, let us write down the dimension. They give AB. So this is AB. How much it is? 6 centimeter. BC has 8 centimeter, and they are asking us to find out AC. Okay, so to solve this one, you must be known the one of the theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. What does the Pythagoras theorem says? You know, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. Now first of all, which one is your hypotenuse in the triangle? Anybody can guess it? Obviously this AC is our hypotenuse. And what is the specialty about hypotenuse? It is the longest side of a triangle. ये दोनों साइड से सबसे बड़ा साइड कौन सा रहेगा? ये वाला, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? hypotenuse. Whichever right angle triangle it may be, in that hypotenuse will be the longest, biggest. You can say remaining from the remaining two sides. Okay, हमें ये find out करने का है. Okay, this is the statement of that Pythagoras theorem is this one: square of hypotenuse. Which one is your hypotenuse? AC is your hypotenuse. So here I am writing AC square is equal to sum is nothing but what? I need to add. What I need to add? I need to add remaining two sides. Which are the two sides remaining of triangle? One is this side, other one is this side. Correct? What's the name of this side? That is AB. That is AB. Which write it in the form of what? Square. Plus. Okay. Which one is remaining? One more is BC. So BC square. Okay, as we got in our equation, let us substitute the value. AC, that is what we had to find out. So I am writing AC square as it is AB. AB का value कितना है? 6. So in the place of AB हम 6 लिखेंगे, substitute करेंगे. AB के ऊपर square, so square will be as it is. BC का value है, this is our base. How much it is? 8. So here I am writing 8 square. So AC square is equal to 6 square का value है 36. Square is nothing but 6 square is nothing but 6 into 6 will get it how much? 36. That's what we wrote. Plus 8 square will give us how much? 64. So AC square is equal to, will get it how much? 100. 36 plus 64 is 100. अब इस square का क्या करेंगे? This square will transport right hand side, that becomes root. Square root of 100 we have to find out now. Square root of 100, I guess everybody knows that, right? We know that is how much? 10. Then I'll be showing by calculation 100. You can apply division method or prime factorization method to find the square root of 100, depends on you. So I'll be using prime factorization method. It is 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. Again I am going with 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So out of a pair में से कितने बार multiply करना? सिर्फ एक बार. Into out of a pair you have to multiply only once. So We will get it how much? 10. Okay, so dimension is in centimeters, so AC is equal to 10 centimeter. This is how we have to find out AC by using Pythagoras theorem. This is what the statement of Pythagoras theorem, you have to remember. The same way we are going to solve the second one of this main. Let us read once the question what they are asking us. This time AC is 13, BC is 5. The triangle is same, okay, but now the dimensions is been changed. Let us see how to find out that. I'll draw the triangle first. This is our triangle, okay, and this is equal to 90 degree. So which angle is equal to 90? B. So this point we have to name it as what? B. Remaining is A and C. I can name it A here and C here. Okay. Now let us represent the dimensions what they gave us. You can see here AC is almost 13. Is for Pythagoras, hypotenuse value is given. This is our hypotenuse. जो straight रहता है वो hypotenuse है, जो slope है that is your hypotenuse. Remember. Or else you can consider the side opposite to 90 degree. In 90 degree के जो भी side opposite रहता है उसको हम क्या consider करते हैं? Hypotenuse. Remember that. Okay, and BC का value है? BC is 5 centimeter. This time I need to find out what AB. Statement will not change it according to what value you have to find it. Remember. Statement Pythagoras theorem का same रहेगा. क्या है? Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. The left hand side में हमेशा कौन सा साइड रहना? Hypotenuse. Okay. Which one is your hypotenuse? AC. पहले नाम लिखो AC. Okay. AC. You are taking in the form of a word square is equal to. Now we have to add it. Sum का meaning add. किसको add करना? Two sides. Which of the sides are remaining? Now which sides are remaining? You can see AB is remaining and BC is remaining. AC is already written. AB side is remaining and BC side. So here I will write it AB square plus BC square. Let us substitute the values now. Okay, so AC का value they given how much? 13. Square will be as it is. AB we don't know. We will be writing as it is AB square. BC का value हमें पता है कितना? 5 square. So 13 square will be 169. How to do it? 13 into 13 will give us 169. AB square we don't know. 5 square is 25. So we should transpose 25 to the left hand side. So 169 minus 25 is equal to AB square. AB square हम find out करें तो AB square को हम left में लिखेंगे. So that is AB square is equal to 169 minus 25 will give me how much? 144. Square को transpose करो. That becomes how much? Root of 144. Root of 144 value we know that is how much? 12 centimeter. 10 to I shall show you by calculation. 144. Cons the table 2 7 the 14 2 2 is a 4. 2 3 is a 6 1 remaining 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2 1 remaining 2 8s are 16 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. जब हम स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं तो आउट ऑफ ए पेयर हमें कितने बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? सिर्फ एक बार. 2 out of a pair only once, out of a pair only once. 2 2s are 4 4 3s are already we have written it. Likewise we have to solve the 7th main of square and square root chapter last exercise. Okay, if any doubt anywhere is struggling, just let me know in the comment section. I hope so. Everything must be clear. Okay.